we have a trial here. See,
Yeah.
first time.
So we need more practice.
You, my boys.
We are heading straight to there's a campsite there. And basically it's a very nice place if you are first time kayaking. I would recommend you to go to this lake. It's in Cyclone. And I think this is one of the best places for someone beginner.
Oh, good. Hi guys, this is me. Look at this. And we have three more. Oh no.
ये डर नजर नहीं आ रहा यहाँ
Sure.
yeah we'll just go there I think we better go to all the way to that place okay. Maybe we'll join the classes later today just for a photo session